I like the watch a lot. I like the way it looks, and I'm really impressed by the build quality. I didn't think it was going to be built as well as it is.
You know, it really shows off watchmaking in a way. You can kind of see here with the dual balance wheels. I do like that. I mean, just look at that. It's really a work of art. Really, really nice.
I love it. It is stainless steel, waterproof, and I love it so much. It's affordable. I'm very happy with it. I love it so much. I totally recommend this brand. They have amazing, beautiful watches.
And they put a lot of effort into this engraving. It's hand stained. Again, each link is engraved, and I think it looks absolutely fantastic. Did such a good job of the engraving. I would actually be proud to wear this watch. This is really, really cool.
You ready? Bye-bye. Wow, this is incredible. Oh my god, I love it. Looks so cool.
Something super cool about their watches are they are limited production. They only made 125 of them in this color combination, which makes it really, really cool. And I don't know if I could be any happier. Like I said, I have been wearing this thing non-stop. It's a great watch box, great presentation. Overall, I really couldn't be happier with what I received.
And it's very well done. As you can see, this is not a cheap process, and that's probably the reason most brands don't do it. But this came out very good. As you can see here, everything is extremely neat on a macro level. There are no mistakes or anything like that. A little vintage diving helmet, just a bunch of cool stuff. You get the anchor here. But other than that, it's definitely a very neat looking watch. It's something very different from the rest. Obviously, I'm pretty sure there are no other watches on the market with this level of handwork done on their timepieces, but you are getting something completely unique and different, and you probably won't see anybody else with a watch that resembles this ever.